like the hands. You have to call me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Maniac video, and today we're gonna remove the governor on this thing. So yeah, so let's get started. Actually, I don't really gloves for the torque converter stuff. Okay, almost up here. Keep the coat cover out. Look how dirty this is. So you gotta get the torque converter out. So we're just gonna remove this bolt. It says, what does 8.8 mean?
8.8?
Yeah.
I want to say that's probably 8mm bolt.
Okay, that works.
Good? Good. Okay, don't lose anything. So that's the orientation that we want, right?
Yeah. So continue the thing off and this thing.
Bearing,
That bearing.
the belt.
Belt. And the Coleman one with the stock torque converter. This came with the jack shaft. So the one with the converter, it had the bearing, which is pretty nice.
Okay, now I got to move this guy, right?
Yeah.
So in order to move this guy, you need to loosen up the chain. Yeah. Repeat. Yep. And repeat.
Like, this is like a
Go
different.
higher. There you go. Everything goes out and everything goes back in the same way, okay?
Yeah.
In that same order.
There we go.
Come here. Put that wood underneath there. Good. Keep pumping. Keep going. So put that in the tray.
Oh, that's right. That's two.
Huh?
That's a two.
Where did it go?
Go. I think.
Let's see.
2516.
me? No, we could.
Is the oil gonna come out?
I don't think so.
I gotta squeeze the brake.
Right. There we go.
And just a little, nice and slow. Pay attention to where things are at.
Okay.
You have a head gasket here, or gasket. Okay, like you have a pin here that goes there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, slowly move it. Okay.
Oh, that's the governor. That's the governor. We need to get that thing out.
Okay, so look, I got.
Okay, that's the camshaft. Right, it's enough for these to fall to, these drop off.
What just fell off? Oh, those are valves.
Are those normal?
Yeah. Because look, these push the valves up and down. You see them?
Yeah.
Camshaft, right?
Yeah.
You see how it's offset?
Yeah.
It pushes those valves up and down.
Alright guys, so we're gonna move that thing right there. Remove that thing right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's the governor gear and the governor arm. The first thing we're gonna remove is the governor arm. So we gotta remove that thing. Just find a throttle linkage. We're gonna find a throttle linkage. And there's like a little clip right there. You can't really see it. And yeah, take the clip out first, then remove it.
Good.
Alright, so how do you remove the clip?
Alright, so let me see. First, we're going to take the screw out first, right?
Yeah.
You see this little tiny silver thing? Grab it and pull it out. Yep, there you go. Put it in the tray. Okay, now this should come out, right?
Converter stuff.
Okay, so nothing here we need, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Let me post this on the screen.
yeah.
Quick. Exclamation! Come on, wait, Dad. Open that thing. I'm gonna show my thing. You got that thing out.
This in the hole right there?
No.
Oh, on the
That?
side?
Hmm.
Oh. I am very worried.
Can't believe I got the governor out.
Okay, you want to put the screws back in?
Yeah, good. I'm just checking. Good? We're basically finished with the governor stuff. We had to set the throttle linkage, so we cut like a part of it off, and then like we run up to this. You see this hole right there, and then vent it towards that way. If we vented it straight, it will like keep on going like to like.
Okay, now try it. Nice and slow.
See how the idle's working?
So this bend here is very important, right? It has to be very short, not long.
Yeah.
And we have to use the hose that came with the gas tank.
Because we bought another gas tank because I want to see how much fuel I have, which is that bar thing right there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. All we have to do is install a torque converter. And alright guys, so I'm just gonna fuel up my gas. Ooh, okay. That's fine. I'm gonna clean this stuff. I think that's all. Because as you can see, all of it shows red. I also installed a new fuel line to see a fuel sensor thing. I installed a fuel tank which has a fuel sensor thing to let me know if I'm running out of gas or not. Yeah, that was it. So like, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, I improved a lot of speed. And yeah, so improved a lot of RPMs. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.